In today's video, we are going to show you how to import leads into Salesforce CRM step by step. First, log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you're on the home page of the site. Then look for the left menu and search for Sales. Go ahead and select it. Once you're there, click on Import. Now you'll see options for importing. You can choose CSV file or use the data import wizard. For this tutorial, we're going with CSV file. After you select that, click Next. From there, choose the file from your desktop. Then click Next again. Now it's time to review your field mappings. Make sure everything looks correct. Then click Start Import to begin the process. If your file is large, it might take some time to process. After it's imported, you might not see the leads right away. Just refresh the page, and your imported leads will start to appear. And that's how you import leads into Salesforce CRM. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.